Well, that's just about ready to test fit the new panel from Express Steel Panels. Pretty excited to try this. It's just a new panel this month. Fortunately, on the transom I have some repairs to do before I can actually fit it. So at the moment the skin's been stripped, cleaned off and then acid etched with a product called Force Clean B, which you will get from Chris and the team at Rustbuster. Club members get a discount, so don't miss out on that one. But back to the panel. Very, very quick test fit if I can. In fact, I'll actually just try setting it in the way it is. Nothing has been fettled as yet, but if I have a look and get close in here, that'll fettle into doing that corner. Yep, that'll fettle into doing that corner. Centre hole seems to fit perfectly. Same on this side, and some material and cutouts. Same fettle into doing this edge. But other than that, we seem to have a very, very grand fit indeed. So, Express Steel Panels, very well done guys, and many thanks for keeping the imp alive.